Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy M01. So for that we will need the buttons so the power button and the volume down button. So press these both buttons for short together and you will have a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the picture or you can share it directly. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you will have a screenshot. And if you tap here on the edit symbol, then you can make a crop apart here of the screenshot in case you want to have just a picture from a website or something like this. It is possible to crop it, and also you can write something inside or paint something inside. And yeah, after you can share this edited part here directly also by WhatsApp, by Messenger and so on, or you can save it directly here to your gallery. Okay, and apropos gallery, there are the screenshots here. First of all, we have here at the pictures, the screenshots, but what's very nice here at Samsung, you have also the albums here, an own folder just for screenshots. Here's an own folder just for screenshots, and here's also my edited one. And as you can see, I had already many twice. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.